everyone, my name is Ekar and today I have come up with a presentation before you on our very own topic, tourism. What actually is tourism? Tourism means people traveling for fun. It includes activities such as sightseeing and camping. People who travel for fun are called tourists. Places where many tourists stay are called resorts. Places that people go for tourism are called tourist destinations. When we are talking about tourism, how can we forget our very own country, India? So let us see, how does tourism help our country economically? Tourism industry in India is one of the most profitable industries in the country and contributes substantially to foreign exchange earned. Today, tourism is the largest service industry in India with a contribution of 6.23% to the national GDP and providing 8.78% of the total employment. India witnesses more than 5 million annual foreign tourist arrivals and 562 million domestic tourism visits. The travel and tourism sector supported 25 million jobs in 2012 directly related to the tourism sector, constituting 4.9% of the total employment in the country in 2012. This is expected to amount to 31 million jobs by 2023. The demand for travel and tourism in India is expected to grow by 8.2% between 2010 and 2019 and will place India at the third position in the world. Giving you all the information about tourism without taking you to your tour itself will definitely sound boring. So let me take you all to the tour of few amazing tourist places in India. When we are talking about amazing places, the very first name that comes across our mind is Taj Mahal, the monument of eternal love. Then how can we forget the heaven of India, Kashmir? And then the Switzerland of India, Dalhousie. Last but not the least, Goa, place for sunsets and crazy nights. I would like to thank you all for watching this attentively. Thank you so much.